So the largest, now I'm going to mention first that at the beginning, ships were much smaller. Ships grew and grew and grew. And the biggest, what they call the Panama, that's actually an international maritime order. Panama ship. That is massive.
These are the locks.
Okay.
The other ones are coming this way.
They saw that.
And the official measurement is 965 feet long, 106 feet wide. Coming through with only 2 feet clearance on each side. Now the smallest naval ships are the LHAs. Ships like the Bellawood and the Tarawa, they're installed as a 20-story building. The widest are the battleships. All of the battleships came through with only 11 inches to spare on each side. The smallest radio-operated replica of the Ancon. Ancon was the first ship to use the canal back in 1914. It was just about 50 inches long. Came through 1954 to 64 to commemorate the 50th anniversary the highest toll of this lock is the Norwegian krone, based around 500 average toll this lock for this system 200,000. I want to talk to you about the gates. The gates are swinging gates now. At the bottom, they rest on a pintle. Think of a 24-inch ball bearing. That's what they rest and rotate on. At the top is a hinge pin. Also, you'll notice there's at the top, it's like little handrails and everything. The workers use it to go from side to side. But as the gates open up, the handrails go down. The employees are warned with red light and bell that the gates are going to be opening. Okay, right now we're in the process of hooking up to the electric locomotives. Important to mention, the ship's engines are used throughout the transit. We don't just shut off the engines and beat the locomotives. These locomotives are going to keep the ship exactly in the center. Now, there are 3 generations of these locomotives. Remember I mentioned the ship was much smaller. So they were supplied by General Electric, by the way. They say the Panama Canal put General Electric on the map. Everything is supplied by General Electric, motors, locomotives, everything. And these locomotives they were okay. They had only one cable. They worked for about 50 years. But the ships were getting larger and larger. So the canal wanted more powerful locomotives for these bigger ships. We held a world tender in the 60s. And Mitsubishi from Japan got the bid. That was the second generation. Now, the tracks and everything, they ride on regular tracks like a train. They have a cog in the middle for traction, and they have a third rail, a 440-volt line. But it's isolated. It's isolated. The locomotive has these probes that go down inside, so nobody gets hurt. So these worked for quite a few years, and then they wanted even more powerful locomotives. There again, held a world tender, and it's a model we see today. They were built by Kawasaki Heavy Industries and Mitsubishi. Certainly the price has gone up. The original ones only cost $13,000 each. The ones in '64, $115,000. These are costing over $2 million a piece. There again, waiting on the tracks, just like the originals. Right up and down, they could set them on the tracks, and probably in a couple of days they'd be ready to go. They extend 2 cables. The cables apply as much as 35,000 pounds of force on the ship. And because these cables represent a bit of danger, one of them snaps. One of them snaps, breaks. It will swing around, and anybody in the way is not going to have a good day. So these actually are special cables. They have, of course, a steel outer part. They have a core in the middle, which makes it not impossible, but less likely for it to break. Because of this specialty, each cable is very expensive, around $35,000